Hi guys, in this video I discuss about HCF of two numbers. See, simple problem, and simple logic. If you know the LCM of two numbers problem, you can solve this in easy. Only just 6 to 7 lines. See, you must know the LCM of two numbers. In previous video, I have discussed about the LCM of two numbers. I'll put in cards. You can watch it. And right now, I'll explain first logic. Question easily. See, you know, HCF of two numbers. I'm taking two numbers like A equals to 2, B equals to 3. What is this HCF? HCF is 1. Now, what is this LCM? LCM equals to how much? LCM equals to how much? 6, right? Now, how to find HCF? HCF, when you are studied, I think when you are in small age, we have discussed this formula, right? HCF. HCF equals to HCF equals to what is the formula? See, normally the formula is A star B by LCM. That is only the logic here. LCM. It is a formula. Normally, when you are in small age, you have learned that the formula is product of two numbers equals to LCM into HCF into HCF. This is the formula I am using here. See, this is the formula I am using here. First, you should know how to find LCM of two numbers. It can be solved easily. Now, I'll discuss about HCF of two numbers program. Let us perfect implementation. I know you know the logic, right? Let's implement it. If you know the logic, any logic, other logic, please comment in comment box. Okay. Take input from user. A button. Tap input. Enter the number. Next, the question. Tap input. Enter the number. Next, now here I am finding our LCM. Shell. I will show you how to find LCM. Why? Change range of know the logic. Set your is now is equal to 0. And now is equal to 0. And then LCM is like you can understand, isn't it? Now I'm assigning LCM equals to like shift C equals to product of two numbers A star B divided by LCM. Now print unique string HCF of A and B is HCF. Okay, now you will see the segment list for this. I'm deleting the previous out. So this is output. To see for the test screenshot of the tech, I'm zooming in. See, this is output. Okay, let us execute this for. See, enter the number. I'm entering it 2, 3. See, LCM is 6. HF is 213 is 1.6. Okay, I will get some float number. Let us make it as I'm just a new typecasting. Into no, see, just check on typecasting here. See, enter the number 2, 3. See, LCM is 6 and HF of 213 is 1. Okay, let's go for other numbers like different numbers like 5 and 6. Each also one. Let's go on another number. So maybe now 9, 21. Okay, here understood here. I'll make it as some mistake. Let's break. Now give us 5. 9 and 81, right? 9. It is CLCM is 81. HF of 9 and 81, 81 is correct. I think understand about it. So you right. Please understand the logic. Don't learn by as a concept. See that. I want to go for another number. I click 3 and 100. CLCM is 100. HF of 50 and 100 is 50. Okay. If you like this story, please subscribe to my channel and please share your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.